Hey, Team Fed, pull up a chair. It's time to talk about Russell Trauma King Vought, the OMB czar who literally bragged, and quote, "We want the bureaucrats to be traumatically affected. When they wake up in the morning, we want them to not want to go to work. We want to put them in trauma," end quote. Also, Russell, a side note, if you are hunting the swampy deep state, maybe you should start by checking right next to those Epstein files. Or maybe you want to check their break room fridge. I hear some of them have been stealing yogurt again, and one of them even was trying to use the microwave to publicly heat up fish. You should get on that. But seriously, though, what Russell is doing is trying to undermine the government's ability to function as constitutionally, anticipated. And yesterday, a judge smacked him down. So I thought, hey, you might want to hear that, given he wants to traumatize you. But I also think it's something that you need to know. And I think it's time to start following him more closely. He makes Musk look nice. And I think he's really one of the big problems of what's happening. So here's what you need to know. Back in March, Sir Trauma yanked the public apportionments website, poof, budget receipts gone, because the numbers he said supposedly were too sensitive for daylight. He asserted a privilege that legally I think was dubious. Translation, he didn't want you, Congress, or your grandma seeing how he sliced up taxpayer money or what he was doing. So yesterday, Judge Emmet Sullivan torched that move as, quote, extravagant and unsupported, end quote, theory of presidential power, then ordered Vought's crew to stop, and this is a direct quote, "stop violating the law!" exclamation point, end quote. The judge even slapped on a countdown. OMB has until 10 a.m. this Thursday, July 24th, to flip the lights back on or dash to the appeals court. So every apportionment must be posted online within 2 business days. That's the law the judge essentially just reaffirmed. These docs show whether your program dollars are flowing or being slow rolled into oblivion. No more budget blackout, no more surprise furlough roulette. Since he doesn't want to be seen, maybe we should all drop an eye emoji in the comments if you think we should watch him. And maybe you should see if he posts the data required by law. And finally, for the record, I have checked, and I just want to say officially, I don't think the vast majority of you are swampy deep state. To my knowledge, none of you have sprouted a third arm, launched a coup, or built a secret lair, right? The scariest thing in your cube might be the expired ketchup packet and the fact that, honestly, I've heard at least one of you cooked fish in the public microwaves, and that should be a crime. So if you enjoyed hearing this or think Russell should be watched, please double tap and share this so every Fed, whether VA nurses, IRS analysts, park rangers, gets the memo before the next trauma attempt, and so everybody learns his name. We'll keep translating the legalese, roasting the self-appointed villains, and arming you with receipts. Please smash that follow, drop your questions below, and remember, transparency isn't subversion, it's your constitutional right. So stay sharp, stay loud, and let's keep the deep state yogurt thieves, the deep state hunters, in check. Thank you, everybody. Hope you have a great day.